Some of the recent trends of the telco industry have been digitisation and automation of their networks. Autonomous vehicles, remote healthcare operations happening in one country being managed and administered from another, and even things like robotic manufacturing. Right at the core is the 5G network, and the challenge for the telcos is to make sure they deliver these services and monetize the investment that they've made for their stakeholders. A lot of the telcos have huge volumes of data, and what we're doing with our products is developing the AIOps capability. And what that allows us to do is to analyze all of that data and predict in the future how the network might perform, where the challenges in that network might be, what the customer is really looking to achieve. A major European operator that we've worked with, they've migrated most of their applications to the cloud. So we're migrating our applications to the cloud. What does that do? That enables them to automate, to digitize very rapidly, consolidation of applications. But again, it comes back to how do you optimize the performance of the network? And we're a core part of that journey. And over time, this generates continuous improvement, and automation and digitization are a core part of that. We work in collaboration with our customers. You know, their success is our success. We're all trying to grow and develop our businesses and our people and our customers. So, and a core part of that is the return on investment, the monetization of the investment that they've made.